summer heat over the national capital this time has been relentless. The intense heat waves which started across northwest India around 17th of May continue even till now. Delhi recorded heat waves even on Monday with temperatures as high as 48.8 degrees Celsius in Mugeshpur and Najafgarh, which continue to remain the warmest places in Delhi. In fact, all the meteorological stations, whether it's Palam or Safdarjung, recorded temperatures which were 5 degrees Celsius above normal. Now, the problem is that the temperatures are high during the day, but they are also high during the night hours. So there is no relief during the 24 hours, and the increasing levels of humidity are now making it extremely unbearable. So why is Delhi so hot this time? What is the reason for this exceptional heat this summer? Now, May is a time when summer usually peaks, so you can expect temperatures to hover around 44 to 42 degrees Celsius. But this time what's happening is that the temperatures are going beyond 45 degrees Celsius and settling there for days. Now, you can expect a few heat wave days in May, but this time the number of heat wave days is also higher. Now, this is something that the weather department had already predicted when the summers began. The Indian Meteorological Department had said that the temperatures are going to be above normal from April to June. In fact, the number of heat wave days are going to be really high this time, and that is what we are experiencing this time. Second, if you remember, there hasn't really been much rain this time. In fact, after 15th of May, the weather has remained dry over the national capital. According to the weather department, there were 5 western disturbances which impacted the northwest India, but only 2 of them were active. So the dry weather prevailed and there were no rain. Usually there are some thunderstorms which can bring down the temperatures, but this time there weren't much thunderstorm activity as well. Third, of course, is that we are living in a post-warming world, and the increasing global warming is making this heat extremely unbearable. Another reason is that this is a global phenomenon called El Nino, which is when the warming of the equatorial Pacific Ocean happens. That tends to bring a warmer atmosphere over India, and this is an El Nino year, so we are experiencing that as well. But another major reason which makes the Delhi summer so hot is that urban heat island effect, and that is something that the humans are responsible for. Now, we see a lot of concrete around here, the tree cover is less. Now, that is why the heat tends to get locked in the city, in this landlocked city, for a very long period of time, and that is why people have been urging that we need to plant more and more trees if we are to escape this intense heat waves in the coming few years. So what can you really do? First of all, stay hydrated, drink enough amount of water, drink plenty of fluids, and wear light colored cotton clothes, and try shifting your outdoor activities to early morning to late evening hours. Take extra care of your children and elderly people in the family because they are more vulnerable. And now the question is, when can you expect some relief? The good news is that the Indian Meteorological Department had said that the intensity of heat waves is likely to reduce after 30th of May because of some thunderstorm activity which can bring down the temperatures to some extent. Now, but for a long-term relief, you really have to wait because the June is going to be extremely hot, and the weather department has predicted above normal heat wave days in June as well, and this time the increasing levels of humidity is also going to make it worse. The southwest monsoon, which brings rain over northwest India around this time of the year, is likely to make its onset over Kerala in the next 3 to 4 days, but it will take another 20 to 25 days to reach Delhi. If you remember, it reaches in Delhi around the last week of June. So we really have a long time till then. Stay hydrated, take care of your family members, and drink plenty of fluids, and try, if you can, reduce your sun exposure. Thank you.